Hisan-cco Company Limited, a certified ISO manufacturer delivering comprehensive wear solutions through advanced engineering. We specialize in precision production of carbon carbide overlay plates, fused alloy wear plates, hard-faced pipes, and flux cord welding wires, engineered to resist extreme abrasion, erosion, stress, and impact. Our fully equipped factory combines automatic overlay welding systems, automatic welding wire production lines, CNC laser and plasma cutting stations, and multiple processing capabilities, enabling precision cutting, punching, bending, and assembly of custom wear parts. With decades of cross-industry experience in mining, cement, material handling, power industries, our R&D team pioneers material innovations to extend equipment lifespan. From conceptual design to field-tested solutions, Hisan delivers complete wear solutions for industrial challenges worldwide.